Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the way that I apply my foundation, and I'm gonna give you tips and tricks on how to tackle a foundation. So this is not a voiceover, so obviously it's gonna be a bit long, but I'll try to make it as short as possible. So yeah, let's get into it. So my face is moisturized with sunscreen. I'm sure most of you or people that do watch my videos do know how as I was saying, if you do watch my videos, you will know which sunscreen that I use. So my face is already prepped, but if you don't have sunscreen and you have oily skin, you can use this smudge primer, but it's for dry skin. And I also have this one, but I don't like it because the foundation and makeup becomes cakey and sometimes it separates. So I don't know what Maybelline was doing here, honestly. So it's silicone based, so like everything was becoming cakey when I used that when I used that primer. So I just started using my sunscreen. I just layer it twice to be like, you know, to give me that oiliness because I have dry skin. Okay, so this is the foundation that I'm using. Please ignore the background noise, it's so noisy. But yeah, I'm just gonna use a small foundation, and then I'll build up. If I feel like the foundation is a bit, it's not enough, so I'll just put on more. But this is just to warm up the foundation. I normally do this just to warm up the foundation. And then this is the brush that I'm using. So it's a flat brush. So normally when I start, I like starting on this part, and then I'll blend in towards in, and I'll blend out. Yes, I'll blend out or blend towards my neck and this part of the face. So when I apply it like this. You're gonna see in a moment. I do this. This is what I do. Then when it's like this, it's easier to blend it inwards and outwards, and you won't waste any foundation. See? So I'm gonna go in with it. Remember, I only did one swipe with the brush. So I go in. Do you see that that's a lot? Like it's enough. And check that out. Check that out. Can you see that it's enough? Like, it's honestly, it's enough. So yeah, I can even take it up. Check this out. See? And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my blender. Okay, so my sponge is wet, and I blend it very lightly, because if you blend it harder, it's gonna give you the natural look, but I want full coverage, so I'm just gonna lightly blend it. And it's very important to like go piece by piece. I don't know if it makes sense, but like if you do the other half of the face and then blend and get done with it, and then go to another part of the face and then do the same. That way, like foundation like you'll be able to manage it, you know. So yeah. And then for here, I don't know if you noticed, I didn't blend. I'm gonna use this part. See, like there's a huge difference. So yeah. And also I'm not swiping the foundation, but like I'm kind of like tapping and you know tapping and slightly drying.